What's up? Hey, we are back. I know y'all been missing us. We've been missing y'all. We like to shout out all of our subscribers. We just hit 200.
Woohoo!
You know, so we definitely gonna make sure we're staying consistent and giving you some good content. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell. What's up,
Like
baby?
and comment.
What's up, baby?
Nothing. We got some food today.
Where did we go?
We went to
St. Louis Fish and Chicken. See, we doing our best to really highlight, you know, the local stuff. You know, everybody mukbang the national restaurants. We mukbanging the local stuff. So what'd you get, baby?
I got some fish and chicken and fries. And then with my fish, I need some pickles and onions. I got some hot sauce and tartar sauce.
Yeah, we got like some generic sauces.
We do. We just got a random.
I got the large chicken Philly, and it's wrapped up so I can keep it nice and hot. But we're about to go to work now. Look at that. Look at that thing.
I should have got that.
Look at that thing.
I'm gonna need a bite.
You gonna get a
Ooh.
God, look at that. Oh my God, it's so cheesy.
Oh my God. What's up
so
now?
cheesy. So I got the big Philly with the fries. Ooh, look at that cheese. Now that's a Philly.
Ooh. We ain't even take a picture yet.
Fry. Wow. One more. That's real cheesy.
It is. I feel like I need a bite immediately.
Shoot, this is mine. I need some ketchup though.
And we got some pineapple vest.
You got some ketchup?
We can use this
Like a
one.
little bit of ketchup.
Yeah.
I just want something to go on my sandwich.
Oh,
Just a little.
like a little bit.
Just a little taste.
Yeah.
Just a little taste. Little taste.
Oh, and we got a vest too.
Man.
A pineapple vest.
Y'all don't know about that vest if you ain't from that low.
The pineapple vest though.
Something got in my eye.
Oh my God. A piece of cheese that flew in your eye.
No. Oh, I got fries too.
I forgot that.
Of course, everything come with fries.
We normally get cheese fries.
Man,
And that looks amazing. I
it
should have
look
got
real
that too.
good. Yeah. So if you ever in St. Louis, make sure you try St. Louis Fish and Chicken. And they literally sell fish and chicken. But they got a lot of sandwiches, and burgers, and
There's some tartar sauce.
it's like your hood spot.
Yeah, everybody was in there.
Everybody in there. Let me get this off here. Man, so what's been going on though? We've been like on vacation.
Where you go? You left first.
I left first, so I went to Vegas. Little guy trip, you know. We went to Vegas. What happened in Vegas, stay in Vegas. But I was on Facebook like the whole step of the way. Went to the Migos concert. Shout out to one of the best beach clubs there is, Dre's. They did their thing. They always do their thing. But Migos was there. And guess who was in the building?
Who?
Your boy Floyd Mayweather.
He lit that on.
Yeah, but he was at the concert.
He shut the concert down.
Went in there, dropped a bunch of money. Just water.
What? The ketchup?
Ketchup. He dropped a bunch of money and then like left.
There you go.
And swirled it around. So where did you go?
I went to Caravana.
She went to Caravana. Now where is the Caravana Festival?
It is in Toronto, Canada. I had never been to Canada before.
So you went
It was
abroad.
amazing. It was amazing.
I went to Vegas and you went abroad.
I did. I'm trying to go to Trinidad and Tobago. That flight is like 7 hours. I don't know about that. But went to Chicago. Flew out of Chicago. Plane ride was like an hour and 15 minutes. So it was real short. Landed. Now when you go through customs, be prepared to be in the line.
Be prepared to be in the line.
Okay. They want to know why you in Canada or whatever country.
Why are you here?
Is it personal? Is it business? Like, you need to know. But it was extra fun. It's like a festival where people dress up in like the little headgear.
Ooh, with that right there, that's that Philly cheese. Ooh, shoot.
Dripped it everywhere.
I'm gonna eat that too.
And like little carnival gear, and you go to like a parade on Saturday, and we could have went to 7, 8 parties. We was there from Thursday to Monday, and we had a day party and a night party.
So y'all was just partying.
Yeah, we ain't make it to all of them. We tried. We ain't no spring chickens no more.
I know. When we was in Vegas,
I needed a nap.
After the first one, after the first little half of the day, I was like ready to go to sleep.
Yeah, because it is a vacation, right?
Oh, man, Jesus. Yeah.
But then you have them friends that always want to be up and turn up.
All the time.
Every day, all day.
I had a few with us. But that's all they want to do was turn up. Look at that.
I don't even want to show my food.
All that goodness.
I just got regular food, like chicken and fish.
That's not regular food.
It's just chicken and fish, though.
I'm just eating a sandwich. You like smashing that chicken wing. Is it good?
It was. You be yawning all the time.
Never. Speaking facts. Shout out to everybody going back to school. It's like back to school time.
I'm so happy.
I know y'all ready to get rid of the kids. Everybody's ready to get rid of the kids.
Me included. I feel like they've been at home too long.
Yeah, it's like past due time.
Yeah, pretty much.
Past due time. Man, we got some new subscribers.
Thank you for subscribing.
And they have some nice pages as well, man.
Can't open the hot sauce. Okay, there we go. My bad. Go ahead. I got it.
Shoot, I forgot I was finna say.
Oh, my bad.
I don't even know.
They got some nice pages.
Oh yeah, we can connect with some people in different parts of the United States. You know,
different parts
of the United States. Man, I was so hungry.
Yeah, me too. Now, what I don't like is I need the ring of.
I was finna give you some of this sandwich, but you fixing your stuff up all night.
Like
Go ahead, just bite.
No, that's real good.
Ooh, let me get some of your fish.
You would want the one I'm.
Nah, you can eat that one. Just fix mine up like that too.
Or you could just have this one because I'm still chewing your food.
Oh, okay. Well, since you asked, where's the little hot sauce?
It really ain't none.
Ain't nothing but a little fish. Ain't nothing but a little fish. What movie that's from?
Thin Line.
Ain't nothing but a little fish.
It's a.
I know, right? Oh my God.
Yeah, that fish be good.
Boy,
Drink a little water. Now I gotta make mine.
Alright, I'm not even exaggerating for the camera.
Yeah, this
that fish is fire with the pickle and stuff.
Yeah, it's another fish place I go to, but it's not by my house, called AAA Fish. I'll do that another day. That fish is extremely fire, but this fish is fire too.
A little AAA fish.
Yeah. Can you see?
It's like the little no-name water cup. I'm still waiting on the coldest water one day.
One day.
One day. Your food look good too, babe.
I must have been thirsty.
I know. Jeez. Thirsty.
I ate all. I should have just got fish because I didn't eat all the fish.
Hey, so I heard that Wendy's spicy nuggets is back.
Yeah, we gotta go back. Get that. They got a bigger bag.
I don't know why they took it off anyway. That was like their signature nugget.
Yeah. In the bigger bag, you get like a double bacon burger with the nuggets and fries. And a drink for $5.
I guess they had to rebrand or something.
And you also can get the 4 for $4.
4 for $4.
I like the 4 for $4 because I like that little wrap. They got a little wrap.
You get the 2 for $3 with the drink free.
The 4 for $4, you mean?
I made that up.
Oh, wrong. I'm like, what? That ain't what I said. 2 for $3 and a drink free. You stupid.
Man, people out here mad at Jay-Z.
But why? I don't know why they mad. I don't know the whole story.
They don't even know what the partnership is. The headlines just say Jay-Z partners with the NFL, and people automatically got mad.
But then somebody put something about Colin Kaepernick. He was the reason he got fired. I was like, but what?
But like, where's Colin? We hearing from everybody but him.
Yeah.
You know he got paid off too.
For real?
Yeah, he got some type of settlement. People ain't talking about that.
Cause they don't know.
Man,
I definitely don't.
Y'all better quit tripping. One thing I know about Jay-Z, he calculated in everything he do. Him and what's his wife's name? Beyonce.
He tried it. You know his wife's name. You know his wife's name.
I do. You in the Beehive?
Unofficially.
That's like a cult for real.
Unofficially. Not for real, for real.
You ain't like in the real Beehive.
I'll be like if somebody say something about Beyonce, I'll be like, don't do Beyonce. That's what I do.
Hey. God. It's fire.
It look fire. I got through the large. Maybe I should have got the regular.
Did you show them your chicken?
Not really. What's the chicken?
You gotta hold it from here. This is how you model
Don't draw my chicken.
a chicken wing. That's how you model it. You gotta learn how to model your food, girl. You gotta model your food.
Chicken wing.
Chicken wing. Stupid. Just being stupid. Hey, don't none of our sauces match.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
You got no condiments in here. You ain't asked for none either.
I didn't. I forgot. All I asked for was hot sauce. So we ain't have no ketchup. I'm dipping in sweet and sour sauce. It don't matter though.
She hiding all the sauces, y'all. She got Burger King sauce, a Captain D's tartar sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce,
Why you have to say?
Chinese restaurant hot sauce.
That came in the bag. I don't know why they give you this. Like, oh, we use them all.
We gotta go to the store.
We do.
They'll let you know we've been out on vacation.
Right, when you out of condiments. How you run out of ketchup? And I can't find a hot sauce. I know I bought a hot sauce, but obviously I didn't. And I went to the store, but I ain't think to buy no ketchup and hot sauce.
See, you ain't really part of the Beehive.
Come on.
Cause they keep hot sauce in their bag, swag.
That was so lame. That had to be the lamest ever. That was cute though.
Whatever.
Oh, we was hungry, huh?
Hungry. Hungry. We was hungry.
Yeah, ooh.
A little flying.
Yep. We did.
Messed up our focus.
It did.
The camera was all focused. It was all focused. You modeling your chicken like I showed you, babe. Model that chicken. Like daddy showed you. Look at that. Let me just show you the mouth of it. There it is.
Every time we go, I say, I'm gonna get that. Every time I don't get it. Ooh.
You flicking stuff?
My bad.
Flicker.
I feel like I need another bite.
On my sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We'll have a drummy of the chicken because I don't really want that.
Don't take like a monster bite, though. Nice.
I'm full.
A little full. She like full, like full.
Full, but you keep like eating.
Woke up too early today.
Yeah.
Hey, be on the lookout for our next mukbang. We doing breakfast.
Yummy.
Boo making breakfast. We gonna have some breakfast.
I ain't say I was making breakfast. I thought you was.
And Daddy gonna make some breakfast.
What you gonna make?
And Daddy gonna make some pancakes.
And what else?
And Daddy gonna make some eggs. And Daddy gonna make some
Hash brown. Patties.
Patty. And some sausage. Turkey sausage.
Links or patties?
Whichever one you buy. Whichever one you buy. Alright. Y'all come to the Lou. Why you moving? St. Louis Fish and Chicken Chicago style. That's so stupid.
Hey, when I was in Chicago, I made sure I got some Garrett's popcorn and some Harold's. Ain't no chicken wings like Harold's with the mild sauce. I'm just letting you know.
Really?
It's fire.
I had to try it out.
Crispy, and then you dip it in the mild sauce. You can get mild sauce on the side.
Mild sauce.
I went to the one on, I think I was on Michigan Ave. And this lady was mad because her gizzards was fried too hard. I was like, what?
Gizzards?
It was like, my mama ain't got no teeth. I can't eat these. She can't eat these gizzards. I told you to fry them soft. And he was like, I can't fry them soft. They gotta be done.
Gizzards.
And we all was looking at her like, what?
I like bass my food.
Yeah, me too. While I was talking about our food. Yep, eating.
You can tell that I was hungry. However you wanna say it. Hungry. However you wanna say it.
I was hungry and thirsty.
You ain't drink your bed.
I am.
Is it cold?
It probably ain't cold no more.
You don't want to open it.
You can open it.
You don't really want to share for real. I just want to taste it.
Well, go ahead and open it.
Oh, excuse me. Did you just move back? You just moved back?
I'm gonna just pour it in my cup.
Cause you know I don't be drinking soda for real, but Vest like.
I feel like
Vest like good.
I can cook it.
You left like some meat on them chicken bones.
It'll be alright.
Fry. Little fry. I ain't give me like a lot of fries. You left like meat on one time.
Ooh yeah. It made the little noise. That was cute. Look, it need to do a ASMR.
We just made like a whole mess. Vest. We done made a mess. Yeah, so if you ever in St. Louis, you're looking for some hood food.
I don't think hood food, that don't go together.
You looking for some hood food.
Yeah, that's a little
I was like, hood food. That was too wholesome.
like Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. No.
If you ever in St. Louis and you looking for some hood food, man, I'm looking for some hood food. Try out St. Louis Fish and Chicken. God, this water's so good. Yeah, so we've been off for a little minute, but we back. You heard me.
We back and we edit again.
Be on the lookout for our next video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all can get those immediately. I said immediately. Those immediate notifications.
Notifications.
Those immediate notifications from Wilson's For Real. We appreciate y'all hanging out with us. We appreciate y'all just supporting us. Make sure y'all continue to share, tell your friends about us. You know what I'm saying? Just continue to support us, man. We here for y'all. Y'all here for us. You know what I'm saying? We just here, you know. You looking for some hood food and you in St. Louis, try out St. Louis Chicken and Fish. St. Louis Fish and Chicken.
There you go. And we out.
Peace.